In this video, I'm taking you through 5 websites where you can realistically make $1,000 a day in 2024. Now, I know that sounds like a big number, but it's not impossible. In fact, people just like you are already doing it. The best part is that you don't need to be a tech genius or have tons of money to get started. So whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, you'll know exactly how to get started. Let's get into it. Website 1. First up is Shopify. Shopify is a website where you can create your own online store and sell products. It might sound complicated, but Shopify makes it really simple. Even if you've never built a website before, you can have your own store up and running in a matter of hours. So, how do you actually make money with Shopify? Well, it starts with figuring out what you want to sell. This could be anything: clothes, homemade crafts, digital products like ebooks, or even products you don't own yet, through a method called dropshipping. Dropshipping is when you sell products that you don't keep in stock. Instead, when someone buys something from your store, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. This way, you don't have to spend money on inventory up front, and you only pay for the product after you've already made the sale. Now let's talk about how you can make $1,000 a day. This won't happen overnight. To get there, you'll need to find a product that people really want to buy. Once you've got that, you need to bring people to your store. You can do this through social media, by running ads, or even by talking to people you know. The key is to get your store in front of as many potential customers as possible. Think about it like this: if you sell a product for $50, you need to sell 20 of them in a day to make $1,000. That might sound like a lot, but with the right product and enough traffic to your store, it's definitely possible. Website 2. Next, let's talk about Upwork. Upwork is a platform where businesses and individuals post jobs, and freelancers can apply to do those jobs. The types of jobs you can find on Upwork are really diverse. You can offer writing services, graphic design, programming, virtual assistant services, and much more. Here's how you can make money on Upwork. First, sign up and create a profile that highlights your skills. Be honest about what you can do, but also make sure to show why you're good at it. For example, if you're good at writing, mention any experience you have, even if it's just writing for fun. The next step is to start applying for jobs. In the beginning, you might want to apply for smaller, lower-paying jobs just to build up your profile and get some good reviews. Once you have a few jobs under your belt and some positive feedback, you can start applying for higher-paying gigs. Making $1,000 a day on Upwork is definitely possible, but you need to stay persistent and work on getting better at your skills. Let's say you're a web developer and you charge $50 an hour. You'd need to work 20 hours to hit that $1,000 mark, but as you gain experience and get better reviews, you can charge more. Some freelancers on Upwork charge $100, $200, or even more per hour. At those rates, hitting $1,000 a day is much easier. Website 3. Another great way to make money online is through Amazon FBA, which stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. This is a service that allows you to sell products on Amazon, and Amazon takes care of the storage, packaging, and shipping. Basically, you find products you want to sell, send them to Amazon, and when someone buys your product, Amazon handles everything else. To get started, you need to choose a product to sell. A good strategy is to find products that are already selling well, but that you can offer at a better price or with better quality. Once you've found your product, you order a batch of them from a supplier, usually in bulk, to get a lower price. You then send these products to Amazon's warehouses, and they take care of the rest. So, how do you get to $1,000 a day with Amazon FBA? The key is to pick the right product and to optimize your listing on Amazon. This means having great photos, a detailed description, and making sure your product shows up when people search for similar items. If you choose a product that sells for $25, you'd need to sell 40 of them a day to make $1,000. With Amazon's huge customer base, this is achievable if you put in the work to find a good product and market it well. Website 4. What makes ClickBank interesting is that you don't need to create your own products to make money. Instead, you can promote other people's products as an affiliate and earn a commission for every sale you make. Here's how it works. You sign up for a free ClickBank account, browse their marketplace to find a product you want to promote, and then you get a unique link to that product. Whenever someone clicks on your link and buys the product, you earn a percentage of the sale, which can range from 10 to 50% and sometimes even more. To make $1,000 a day, you'd need to find products that pay high commissions. For example, if you find a course that sells for $200 and you earn 50% commission, that's $100 per sale. You'd need to make 10 sales a day to hit $1,000. The challenge is driving traffic to your affiliate link. You can do this through a blog, YouTube channel, social media, or even by running ads. The more targeted your audience, the better your chances of making sales. Website 5. Finally, let's talk about YouTube. Yes, YouTube isn't just for watching cat videos. It's a platform where you can actually make serious money. And no, you don't need to be a famous influencer with millions of subscribers to do it. To make money on YouTube, you can start by creating videos on topics you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Once you start getting views and subscribers, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, which lets you earn money from ads that play during your videos. But that's just one way to earn money on YouTube. Another way is through sponsorships. Companies pay creators to promote their products in their videos. The more subscribers and engagement you have, the more you can charge for these sponsorships. There's also affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Just like with ClickBank, reaching $1,000 a day on YouTube takes time and effort, but it's definitely doable. For example, if you're earning $5 per $1,000 views, which is a common rate for ad revenue, you'd need 200,000 views a day to make $1,000. That might sound like a lot, but with a few viral videos or a steady stream of content that attracts views over time, it's possible. Plus, with sponsorships and affiliate marketing, you can reach that goal even faster. So there you have it, 5 websites that can help you make $1,000 a day in 2024. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building something sustainable that can bring you financial freedom. If you're serious about making money online, take that first step today. Whether it's setting up a Shopify store, signing up for Upwork, or starting a YouTube channel, the opportunities are out there. All you need to do is get started. Have you given any of these websites a try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more like this.